In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Melio works to give your business a cash flow advantage. As a small or medium-sized business owner, managing cash flow efficiently is crucial to maintaining stability and growth. Melio offers innovative solutions designed to streamline this process, so you can focus more on running your business and less on worrying about finances. First, you'll want to visit Melio's cash flow overview page. This is where you'll find detailed information on how Melio can be the best cash flow solution for your small business. The website is user-friendly and provides an array of features aimed at helping you maintain an optimal cash flow. Now let's delve into how Melio actually increases the free cash available for your business. Melio allows you to keep your cash on hand for a longer period, which means you can continue to invest in your business without the constant worry of funds running low. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with day-to-day operational costs. One of the core features is the ability to schedule payments in advance. By doing so, you manage outflows efficiently, reducing the strain on your finances. It allows for seamless planning and ensures that you're never caught off guard with unexpected or last-minute payments. To do this, simply log into the Melio platform and select the option to schedule payments at a time that's convenient for you. Furthermore, Melio provides controls over incoming payments, which is incredibly important for maintaining a steady cash flow. With their intuitive dashboard, you can dictate how and when you receive money from clients. This means you can ensure payments are received promptly, helping you keep operations running smoothly. Melio also offers other ways to boost your cash flow. For example, if you're looking to increase your purchasing power without immediately draining your bank accounts, Melio allows you to pay bills with your credit card. This can be a game changer for small business owners who need to keep expenses low while enhancing their financial flexibility. There's also a compelling success story from SPN Events, which saw an impressive improvement in their cash flow management by utilizing Melio services. This example showcases how real businesses benefit from the platform, optimizing their cash flow to better meet their specific needs. In summary, for small business owners who aim to keep expenses manageable, Melio is an excellent tool. It offers the possibility of using a credit card to preserve cash flow and provides the flexibility needed for effective financial management. Remember, managing cash flow is not just about paying bills on time. It's about strategically maximizing financial resources for sustained business growth. Consider these features to ensure you're using your cash in the most efficient way possible and see the positive impact it can have on your business operations. Make sure to explore further to see how you can adapt Melio's offerings to your unique business needs.